In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage mature content settings on Steam. By the end, you'll have your Steam store set to show or hide mature content based on your preferences, so what you see while browsing and searching matches what you're comfortable with. First, open Steam. Wait for the client window to load so you can see the main home screen. Next, click your profile name. You'll find it in the top right corner of the Steam window. When you click it, a small menu drops down. From this menu, click Store Preferences. This opens a dedicated page where you control what types of content the Steam store shows you. Now, go to Mature Content. On the Store Preferences page, scroll until you reach the section labeled Mature Content. This section groups the content types that can include violence, gore, sexual content, or nudity. The exact labels you see in this section may vary, but they all relate to content intended for mature audiences. At this point, check or uncheck the content types you want to allow or hide. If you check a box, you're telling Steam it's okay to include that type of mature content in your browsing, recommendations, and search results. If you uncheck a box, Steam will hide that content type from the store for your account. Take a moment to choose carefully. You can change these at any time, and nothing here affects the games you already own in your library. This only controls what the store shows you. As you adjust the boxes, stay in the Mature Content section until you're confident the selections match what you want to see. If you're unsure about a category, it's fine to leave it checked, test the experience later, and come back to adjust it. These settings help filter the storefront and reduce the chance of unexpected content appearing in carousels, categories, or search results. Once that's done, click Save. The Save button is typically at the bottom of the Store Preferences page. Click it once and wait a moment for the page to confirm your changes. If you don't click Save, your selections won't be applied, so make sure you see that the page updates before you move on. After saving, your mature content settings are now active. From here, when you browse the Steam store, explore recommendations, or run searches, Steam will follow the choices you made in the Mature Content section. You can revisit store preferences at any time and update these options if your needs change. To recap the on-screen actions, you opened Steam, clicked your profile name at the top right, selected Store Preferences, scrolled to the Mature Content section, checked or unchecked the types you want to allow or hide, and clicked Save to apply your changes. That's all you need to manage mature content settings on Steam through your account preferences. Your Steam store is now filtered exactly the way you set it, and the changes take effect immediately. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.